got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That thing make me so smart. That thing make me so proud.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind that it's a waste. Trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now. Child. She got me wildin' now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Idasi, and on this channel I can type fancy hair growth as well as lifestyle blogging content. So if you're interested in stuff like that, do stick around. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my natural hair care Washday routine, and I'm going to be starting that by taking these braids down. These braids have been in for like almost a month, in fact more than a month. I put this in I think the week of my graduation, and it's been long. My scalp is looking crazy. I have gunk in my hair. If you look at this side, you're going to see the debts. I hope you guys can see though. Yeah, you can see the debts, the gunk, and my scalp has gotten extra dry because of the harmattan. I've been getting a lot of flakes on my edges. It's been crazy. It's been a crazy month, and now these braids have gone to go. So without much talking, let me just get straight into the video. As you can see, I've already started unraveling my hair, and I was feeling myself from the little growth I had gotten. Rapunzel. And over here you can see all the dust and the particles my hair has accumulated over the past few weeks. It's crazy, especially at the back of my hair. So I went straight ahead and took everything down. First things first, I make sure my hair is sectioned. Working in small section makes detangling so much easier and helps prevent unnecessary breakage. I start by lightly misting each section with water from my spray bottle. Next, I generously apply my conditioner, which is the Kura conditioner. This provides slip, making it super easy for my brush to glide through my hair. Hydration is key when detangling, and dry hair is more prone to breakage, and we don't want that, right? When it comes to detangling my hair with a brush or a comb, what I always do is that I start brushing from the ends and work my way up to the roots. Unless you want your head on fire, you can start from your roots all the way to your ends, and I don't think anybody wants that. So a little advice I can give type 4 girlies is to always brush your hair or comb your hair from your ends and work your way up to the roots. After detangling, this is how much hair I've lost or shed over the past few weeks. The next step is to wash my hair, and before I start washing, I thoroughly wet my hair with lukewarm water. Of course you guys can see that, but it's actually lukewarm water. It helps to open up the hair cuticles, which will allow the shampoo to work its magic. Today I'm using the Tresemme shampoo, and I pour a quarter size amount into my hand. And remember, you don't need a ton of products. A little bit goes a long way. Sometimes when I feel it's a little too hard to get the dirt out of my hair, I like to use the scalp massager. Not only does it help distribute the shampoo evenly, but it also boosts circulation, which is great for promoting healthy hair growth. Once I've massaged every inch of my scalp, I rinse thoroughly with the lukewarm water, and I make sure to rinse until the water runs clear. You don't want any leftover product weighing your hair down. After I'm done washing and rinsing my hair, the next step is to apply my deep treatment or my deep conditioner. And before I apply that, I section my hair into parts and then do a little detangling, to release the knots and the tangles out of my hair. And then I go straight in with my products. Today, I'm going to be using my Originals mayonnaise. It's actually almost done. I decided to do a protein treatment because it's been a while since I did a protein treatment, but on a normal day I would do a moisturizing deep conditioner, which is like more moisturizing as compared to the protein mayonnaise. And since I'm running out of the mayonnaise, I'm gonna go ahead with the Cantu deep treatment. Once my whole head is done, I pop on a plastic cap to trap heat and help treatment penetrate deeper into my hair. So after I'm done applying my deep treatment, I go ahead and put on my heat cap. This is to help product penetrate deeper into your hair. You can choose not to do this step, it's optional. I usually let this sit for about 30 to 45 minutes depending on how I'm feeling that day. But if you want that extra love and extra TLC for your hair, you can go ahead and put on the heat cap. After rinsing the deep conditioner out of my hair, I go in with a leave-in conditioner and then seal that with an oil. So I gently pour a little bit of leave-in conditioner into my palm, rub it into my hair, and then lock the leave-in with an oil. It could be any oil at all. Whatever oil you think can seal your hair is fine. I can't see, I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, she could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, see, this is all I'm written. But I do it for the friends that take off me load one time. Sit down in a class on word then all this is the road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And 7 feet tell them a story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the job.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my